Congratulations! Thank you so much for buying your new vehicle from Lee Summit Honda. So let's show you how to take care of it. Your vehicle is going to need an oil change in about 3 to 6 months. When that time comes, simply go to leesummithonda.com. You'll see the headliners and click Service. Then click Schedule Honda Service. Type in your phone number or email address, then click Search. This will take you into making an appointment. If you have any troubles, you can always chat Tiffany and ask for help. Otherwise, definitely call Lee Summit Honda Service Department at 816-251-8700. On the east side of the dealership is the service department. You're going to just pull forward and the doors will open automatically. Inside, you'll be greeted by a service concierge or one of our many service advisors.
Welcome to Lee Summit Honda. My name's Dave. How may we help you today?
We'll listen to what you want, then give you an idea of how much it will cost and how long it will take. Now, your car's going right to the service bay. Whether you need an oil change or want to check your brakes, battery, or tires, our factory-trained technicians, well, let's just say, can fix anything. If you choose to wait for our service, we have a comfortable waiting lounge with TV, coffee refreshments, Wi-Fi, and even a kids' play area. Our goal is to have our customer service go way beyond your expectations. For example, you might have a flat tire and normally call your family member, but instead, maybe you'll call us because we're awesome, and at Lee Summit Honda, we treat you like family.